How to disable your RingCentral account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website service.ringcentral.com. Log in using your super admin credentials. Only admins can disable or cancel accounts. Currently, RingCentral does not offer an automated delete account button in the dashboard. To disable your account, you will need to contact RingCentral support directly. Click on the help icon at the top right corner of the portal. Choose Contact Support. Select Cancel Service as the topic. Then choose either chat, phone call, or submit a case. Once you reach an agent, you will be asked to verify your admin email and account number. Confirm which services or extensions you want to disable. State your reason for cancellation. Make sure to download any important call logs, voicemails, or recordings before the cancellation goes through. The support agent will walk you through the final steps and confirm the cancellation date, any final charges or refunds, deactivation of linked numbers or users. Once confirmed, your account will be marked for full deactivation or service termination. And that's it. That's how you disable or cancel your RingCentral account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.